Wakey, eggs and bakey. It's travel day, friends, and we are headed to Virginia this morning. We have to pack camper. There's not really like packing the camper, and I really don't know how to pack the camper this go round. This is a new one. This is the first time to pack the camper in the new camper. We're mainly putting everything in the boys' room, in the garage, because when we get to Virginia is when we're gonna actually like set everything up. But for the time being, it's going back there for now until I can do it. So let's go. It's okay. Yes, I know there's a lot of stuff in here. Yes, I know it's a mess. We're gonna fix it.
We like living like that.
No, we don't.
Dirty.
It's stressing me the hell out.
Y'all see
My OCD is still going crazy because I just started shoving shit in cabinets over here in my kitchen, and I'm still like, and my boo-boo. Y'all see my boo-boo?
Y'all are finally seeing our dirty side.
We have no dirty side.
What? That's not what you said last night.
Stop. Stop.
It's a joke.
Where's your socks? Everybody keeps asking about our deep freezer. Yes, we have it. It's in here. Come on.
There you go. Now you can play. Take your iPad outside all the time. I don't want to go. My iPhone is fine. Okay, here,
I gotta move the ice maker because I haven't secured it down yet.
Looks like we're trying to leave. Come on.
I just farted and coughed like that when I was bent over. I don't know if I just shit myself or if my butthole just like flappered like that on its own.
Oh my god.
Don't put that in your video.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
I'm leaving it in there.
You better not.
You want me to get everything off of the kitchen table tip? Like the salt and shakers? I'm gonna make her start sitting before I open the
Is this
door.
how these go?
I guess.
We got straps for our fridge too.
Yeah, Bella showed me yeah, blah, 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 that.
We ain't gonna be able to find nothing in this camper. It's just shoved in everywhere.
What the hell's wrong with you?
It's stressing me out because I don't know how to pack anything. I feel like I'm not doing shit. I don't know what to do. Alright, we got all this fancy ass shit. That's how we close our slides. And we also have the app on our phone where we can close it with our phone as well. So that's pretty cool. You can literally control everything in this whole camper off of the app on your phone, not just the slides. I don't know if they can see because your big old head. Okay, we're all done packing up the camper. We just have to hook up, and I made Christopher, before we hook up, go get me a coffee, or take me to get a coffee. And we went to the Arc coffee place here in Van Buren. Yo, I just tried this. Holy shit. And they were the sweetest. They were so nice. This shit is good. I kind of like don't even know what it is because I just told her like, well, I like the iced blondies at 7 Brew. Can you make something similar to that? And she's like, oh yeah. And added cold foam on the top. It's 1,000 out of 10. Like, it is so good. So good. So if you're in that area, go check them out because dang. All right, let's go hook up the camper. All right, we're all hooked up and ready to go. We got the camper and the job trailer. The job trailer is now on my truck and the camper is now on Christopher's truck. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bigger truck for sure. Anyway, after a shit show of a pack with me, because we're still learning this. We're learning this together, y'all, because it is going to take some time for me to get used to all the different things that we have to tie down, put up, screws, knobs, where everything goes, all the whole 9 yards. So it's going to be a learning process, and I'm taking you along with me, obviously. And yeah, we're ready to go. We will see you in Virginia. We will, it is a total of a 16-hour drive. Obviously, pulling a camper in a job trailer, it takes you several hours longer. It's probably, we're looking at about a total of a 20-hour drive, but we are only going to drive about 10 hours today, and then we'll stop and sleep, and then we'll finish out the drive tomorrow and see you in Virginia. I will catch you tonight for dinner, and I hope you have a good day, and we'll catch you later. Bye!